Hi, my name's Sarah Larson and I'm from Baltimore, Maryland area, and this is my testimonial for Proofread Anywhere. So before I got into Proofread Anywhere, I'll admit I was a bit confused with what I wanted to do with my life. I'm currently 18 years old, so I've had a lot of different paths and courses that I thought I wanted to go down, but nothing was really panning out, and I just didn't really know what I wanted to do. And then when I heard about Proofread Anywhere, I got really excited because it felt right, because I've always had this love of English, love of grammar, and I've just always been really good at spotting errors in text, so it really just felt perfect. I think I'd stumbled upon an ad for Proofread Anywhere at some point, and I clicked on it and I was like, ooh, this looks perfect for me. And so I watched Caitlin's free webinar, and it really resonated with me, that it was something that I felt like I would be good at, something that I felt would be a good course for my life. I think one of my initial concerns was probably just the price. I was sure that it would really change my life, having done lots of research, because obviously I was a little bit skeptical at first, but I did research and it seemed like a really good course. It was quite a bit of money, but I went ahead and I got it, and I have absolutely no regrets. So the course started out, you start by learning grammar and English, and then you get into learning how to proofread and all the different formats, and after that point is when you learn how to actually start and set up your business. And that's the part when everything really just clicked for me, wow, I'm doing this. I set up a website, I started my business, I put hours and hours of hard work into just making sure everything looked nice, and then I started marketing myself back in January of 2020, so that's when I actually fully started my business. And I think within 2 weeks is when I got my first client, and that was really, really exciting for me. I got to proofread. It was a 120,000 word novel, and I absolutely loved it, and it was perfect for me. And after that point, I knew that was what I wanted to do for the rest of my life, and that's what I want to keep doing. And so since starting my business, my life has definitely looked a lot different. I definitely have a clearer trajectory. I know what I want to do, and so I'm able to use my business and learn more because of it. And so I'm currently in college right now, but mainly for just learning, education, things that are applicable. I'm thinking of getting an associate's or certificate in English or business or something like that, and I want to keep going down this path. And because of Proofread Anywhere, it really opened up my eyes to all my many opportunities, and I absolutely love my business, and I've just been able to keep growing it, and I love Proofread Anywhere. It really taught me a lot. And I know that without it, I might have maybe thought about proofreading at some point, but I definitely wouldn't have had the steps to get there that Proofread Anywhere gave to me. And it really just changed my life, and I've loved working with clients. I've loved proofreading books and things, essays, website material, all of the above. So I would definitely recommend Caitlin Pyle's course. I've been at my business for about 8 or 9 months, and I'm really happy with all that I've succeeded through it, the clients that I've been able to get, the books I've been able to proofread and everything, and I just loved it. I would highly recommend Caitlin Pyle's Proofread Anywhere course. If you have a passion for English and you want to make a business out of it, then it is definitely the course for you. It definitely changed my life, and I know that it could definitely change other people's lives. And so basically, you love English, you want to start a business, it would be perfect for you.